Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to download OnlyFans app on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open your Safari browser on your iPhone and here in the search bar, type OnlyFans and go to the official OnlyFans website. Make sure that it's real website to avoid scams or unsafe pages. And once you're on the official site, log into your account. Now, at the bottom of the screen, you'll see the banner that says Add OnlyFans to Home Screen. If you don't see it, just tap the share icon at the bottom, and that's the square with an arrow pointing up. Now, scroll down the option and tap Add to Home Screen. You can rename the app if you want, and after that, go back to your home screen and you'll see the OnlyFans icon, just like a normal app. Tap it, and this will open the OnlyFans instantly through a clean and app-like interface. And that's it. You now have the OnlyFans app shortcut on iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.